guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on a Crew Cab Sierra. I believe it's a 12 or 13. I did do double cylinders on this one. We're going to go ahead and be doing a Titan window install on it. So we got the window all ready to go, cleaned up. I'm going to go ahead and put my gasket on there. If you guys need a gasket, my custom Titan window kit, DM me, Instagram or Facebook, or my email, robsxcustoms@yahoo.com. I do ship a lot of these out, and I mean a lot of these kits. I ship a lot. I think the furthest I've shipped on my kits was to Hawaii, twice. So if you guys need a custom kit done by me, it's all bolts on to the regulator, let me know. So here's a window. I'm getting it all cleaned up now, waiting for the homie to roll up. That way I can go ahead and start removing the back seat, start getting it prepped, get the center cut out, and then we'll go ahead and remove it. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, we got the truck just dropped off. We'll go ahead and do our thing, get her prepped for that Titan window. Like I said, this is the one I did the double sunroofs on a while back. All right, we got the center cut out on the Sierra. Went ahead and painted the inside so we don't get no rust, because it is a fresh cut. We're gonna start removing the back window. We'll get that glued in, and then we'll go ahead and put some tape on it so everything is nice and sealed. And then we'll go ahead and install my bracket, wiring. Go from there. All right, guys, there it is. Titan window, GMC Sierra. Damn, this looks good. Real good. Look at that gasket. All the way around. Like OEM. I do got it down because I said it's got the glue on there. I'm going to let that cure for at least maybe about an hour. I'm going to start the wiring on it. And then I'll go ahead and take the clamps off, put the window, my bracket, put the back seat back on. Should be ready to roll. That looks good. Like I said, a lot of people don't use this gasket. They just put the window in. You can see the edge of this window and this cab, which to me it looks, it don't look, professional. I think with this it tops it off, makes it look real good. And plus gives it a nice good seal too. But that's what it's looking like. Titan window. Alright, guys, I'm gonna start the wiring, get the button. I do gotta call homie up, see where he wants the button at, and then go from there. Alright, guys, Titan window is installed. We got everything 100%. We got the seat back in, everything is functional. Let's check it out. Came out clean. I love that back window, how it looks on the Sierra. Stay tuned for more. We got a lot more videos coming. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll keep it rolling in. All right, guys. Peace.